thighs are working down. They're on the cool side. I've got a couple more thighs and legs. They're all have been in the brine of lemon, orange, ginger, nutmeg, hot sauce, of course salt, sugar. They've sat. I do have a nice topping to slather it with after it's been seared of more orange, lemon, hot sauce, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And we'll see how this goes. We will certainly have the pork chops, kind of oriental with pineapple and teriyaki sauce later. The remains of some of the kale, the last of the chicken. This was full, thighs and legs. 3 pork chops out of about 10. And a little bit of the sweet potato, bananas, and cinnamon and nutmeg.